Hello guys, welcome back to Top Tech HD. Today we will be covering amazing Ingenious tools that are on another level. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you like the video and subscribe to see more like it. Orbi Cut is a new and unique low-speed, high-control cutting tool, engineered and manufactured in Sweden. That smoothly and pleasantly hollows concave surfaces, and can also be used to shape any surface and contour in wood and other porous materials. The alligator forklift jack is the best tool to jack up a forklift. It's custom built for jacking up forklifts and has a capacity of 8,800 pounds. This machine offers perfect edges for discerning wood manufacturers of all sizes. The manual edge banding machine adopts automatic control and has a large edge banding operation range, which can ensure that the hot melt adhesive is not glued or leaking. It is suitable for straight curve edge banding of various plates, with small size and light weight. Hayes tools are indeed some of the best tools made today, and they have a long tradition of excellence to back them up. Hayes saber saw supports frame, adjustable in height and suitable for double-walled sheet steel. Aluminium cutting capacity is 4 mm and sheet steel cutting capacity is 3 mm. High Koki cordless die grinder improves heavy grinding work with its slim grip and brushless motor. You can adjust the rotation speed to match both material and load. It has additional safety measures such as a braking function and kickback protection. The slim design allows you to reach complex angles for better use. The miter saw protractor allows users to measure miter cuts and single cuts. It's an incredibly useful tool, especially if you're cutting crown molding, baseboards, or doing other finishing work. The NFU 50 groove cutter is flexible and an all-rounder for a wide range of milling applications in wood construction. This fast and precise tool comes packed with valuable equipment and is compatible with dozens of accessories that make work fun. The mobile cartridge soldering device is suitable for professional applications in sheet metal work as well as for soldering tin and lead. In this way, roof work on rain gutters or downpipes can be carried out very easily. This tool has 4 crimp nests and is made to work with heat shrink, nylon, or vinyl terminals and connectors. This makes it ideal for a range of applications including marine usage. The ratcheting action ensures that you get the exact crimp pressure each and every time. The Skill Masters is a powerful electric scraper supplied in a sturdy Skill Masters bag with 15 blades. Easily remove paint, putty, tile joints, flooring, hard foam residue, plaster, gypsum, adhesives and more using this electric scraper. The Cladman enables a single person to install fiber cement weather boards, and traditional feather-edged cladding boards with minimum effort, removing the need for 2 people to hold a board in position. Vastly improving safety, saving labor costs, improving efficiency, while maintaining superior accuracy. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these 2 for more video. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it, and with that we'll see you next time.